Full body kettlebell in just 10 minutes, 5 exercises, 30 seconds on, 10 seconds off, and 3 rounds, keeping it in that 10 minutes. Make sure you've warmed up and I'll see you there. There's no rest between the rounds, guys. We're going to work them back to back, keeping it in that 10 minutes. We're kick-starting off with the thruster. Here we go. So wrap your thumb around the corner of the kettlebell, clean it up, feet just a little bit wider than your hips, down into that squat, straight into that press, back down again. As you drive up, squeeze those glutes. Excellent, same again on the other side. My left, your right, yeah? Forward lunges. You can hold the kettlebell at chest height and we're going to alternate these. So push up on that front foot. You don't want to hang around down there too long, push back. Halo now, so the kettlebell is upside down. Keeping it close, all the way around and back the other way. So you're turning that kettlebell upside down, around the back and back to the front. Excellent, down on the floor now, pull over to knee crunch. Or you can just do the pullovers. Push your back into the floor, open up. Exhale as you crunch. Breathe in. Keep pushing that back into the floor. Got 10 seconds to get back to the beginning, guys. Single arm thruster, be ready. Same again on the other side.
You say you don't
Forward lunges.
But you play me like there's no tomorrow. You should know that I'm fed up with your lies, so don't come closer.
So the alternative for this exercise is reverse lunges. Body weight. It's kinder on your knees if you struggle with forward lunges.
Bother calling, just get lost. I'm fine on my own, so don't even bother to come back, 'cause I ain't done. I'm fine on my own. Boy, your pretty little lies are getting old. All those late nights
Halo.
waited for you, then gone 'cause we
It's quick, isn't it?
all those late nights I waited for you, then gone 'cause we are through. Your lies are getting old.
Keep that kettlebell high. You don't want to bring it down to your chest.
But it's feeling warmer. Your lies are getting old, but I'm getting stronger. I'm getting stronger.
Great upper body exercise, this.
'Cause I'm fine on my own. So don't even bother to come back, 'cause I ain't done. I'm fine on my own.
Get down.
Boy, your pretty little lies are getting old.
Push your back into the floor.
Waited for you, then gone 'cause we are through. All those late nights I waited for you, then gone 'cause we are through. 'Cause we're through. It won't go away. I've got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I
Back to the beginning, last round, come on.
but if you treat me right,
Last set of thrusters, we can do this.
I'll be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna fight. I got my
Dig deep,
hands on
it's just
your
10 minutes.
body. So
Getting it done.
Tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I do, like I do, like I do, like I do, like
Come on. Need a drink.
Listen and relax. From here on, you don't have to say a
Forward
word.
lunges.
So just let go and don't hold back. I've got you, welcome you into my world. I know
Bit of cardio, this.
some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna fight. I've got my hands on your body. So tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like
Halo.
I do, like I do, like I do.
Hold that core nice and tight. Try not to lean into your back. Last exercise.
done my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat me, I'd always get right back up, never worry. 'Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I got is just
Love that. 10 minutes, bish bash bosh, all done. Hope you guys enjoyed it too. You don't need me rambling on, just get cool down and on with your day. Take care guys, well done.